You want to do honk, honk, honk? Or?
We'll do honk, honk, then on the third one, go.
Okay.
And then, I don't know, I guess try to keep it under 100.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah. I mean, if we go down to, we could probably open up a little bit more, but I'm not too sure about this road right here.
Yeah. I'd rather just stay on this road though.
Yeah, okay. And then I'll just let out, like if you're way far ahead of me and I'm not gonna, you know, reel you in, I'm just gonna let out. I think I got them aired down to 23. Oh no, they're at 29. And this whole time I thought they're aired down to 23 and I wasn't getting as much traction. They're at 29. I think somebody's pulling up. What is it? Yep. What's going on, guys? Today we got an exciting day planned. We got a race coming up and we're going to race a 3rd gen Camaro.
Got a 92 RS Camaro with an LT1 swap. It's got a 4L60 automatic, Hughes Red Performance kit, built about 500 horse, Sonic servo, Hughes torque converter in it, B&M shift kit, all the goodies. Pretty much a stock LT1 with some cooker headers and an MSD ignition system.
What'd you say, about 350 horsepower?
About
350? And how much do you think this thing weighs?
About 3,400. It's got a 14 rear end underneath it, just brakes.
And for those of you guys that are just joining us, this is our budget build truck. It's a 07 Silverado. It's got a 4.8 liter, 300,000 mile V8 with a 78 millimeter turbo. It's on 50/50 methanol injection. It's got a 323 rear gear and a turbo 400. That's about it. Ready to go race? Yeah? Ready to race?
Yeah.
Let's do it. So, what do you think? Who do you think is gonna win?
You.
You think I'm gonna win? Why?
Because you're turbocharged.
Yeah, but you know,
You're boosted.
he outweighs me by like, or I outweigh him by almost 3,000 pounds.
You got the driver advantage, I bet.
Yeah. Ready? I'm gonna get the right because my exhaust is on that side and it's gonna be really loud. All right. Right? Like right?
Turn the f-stop up.
Yeah. Will that work? Got about a half gallon of E85 and we are at 65% ethanol, which is pretty decent. I got a full tank of 50/50 methanol. It should be enough. The only thing I'm worried about is with him having, you know, such a lighter car, is he's going to get out ahead of us quite a bit, and then we got to reel him in. You ain't got no traction. Yeah? We do another one?
Wait, let me get
roll if you want.
You want to do a roll?
Yeah.
All right.
Whatever you want to do.
All right. Good. You want to do another dig? Yeah? All right. That was coming. Yeah, you want to do a roll? 40?
Yes, fine.
All right.
Maybe they're right there.
Hey, you want the hit? I give you the hit. You want to do it again? You get the hit. You want to do a roll or a dig? All right. Woo! Nice. Like I said, we got about at least 2,000 or so pounds over that car. Okay. All right. Took a while to build boost, but when it did, boy, it was gone. That was only on 14. So what do you think?
I think when I drop my LS in, it's time for him to do some work for me.
Yeah, sounds good.
My transmission is ready.
Yeah.
I got the motor.
Heck yeah.
Time to get that wiring harness.
There you go. What'd you think about the race?
It's good, man.
Yeah.
I had a blast.
That was fun. really thought that was going to be a much closer race, being that we outweighed that car by over 2,000 pounds. So with that being said, I think we're making a little bit more power than what I thought. And it's time to take it to the dyno to see what it puts down. So stay tuned for our next video where we take this thing to the dyno and we see how much power that it makes. Alright guys, catch you on the next one. More than 15, and we made maximum of